click Start menu. Then you have to click MS Access. Then you have to click the Create. Then the file is open. And now I will tell you that what is rows and columns. Our columns are fields and rows are records. Okay. Now I will tell you how to make their rules. For example, there are 3 ways to open the design view where we can put rules. First, right click on table 1, then open design view. And second thing, click the design view. Then we have to click here. So I will choose the right click one. In the first try, the save button will come because we have to save our file. I saved the name of table 1. Now there are ID auto number. The ID is the auto number that computer already provided. It must be auto number. So I will change ID instead of number. Now I will write here name. Now this is the error that you have split the scientific meaning of Microsoft Access or 2 or Microsoft Database Engine. So we will press just OK. And here is already short text because the name is all small, not so long text. We will just say little bit text. Now I will write age. In age, of course, in age there is only a number, not text. So we will write number. We should not write small text. It is the rule, nobody cannot put the digit or alphabet. Now I will write birthday. In birthday, the short text came, but there are 2 choices. Short text we will write January, February, but in date and time, the calendar will already appear and we cannot write January, February, just we have to write months in the numeric ways. Now I will write food. In the food, of course, the short text will come because there are so many food. For example, saag, kofta. So it will be short text only. Then roll tongue. Roll tongue. In roll tongue, we can only write yes or no, and we cannot write number. It reverse. We can write yes or no. Now I will show you how to go back. First, we will right click to it. Then we have to first save it. Then it will not ask you because you have saved in first time. Then close it. Don't worry. Then double click the table 1. Then the all is come. My name, for example, I will write Ali. I can write, if I write the wrong number like alphabets in age, because I write the number, we cannot write alphabets in age. For example, I am writing anything. It will give error. This error will come. Then you have to click enter new value. Then you do not have to put any alphabets. You can just put a number. In birthday, you can see small sign of calculator. So you can only click that and take any calculator. And this will appear. You cannot write February, January or nothing. In food, we can write anything. For example, I will write chips. Chips. And we can write small text. In roll tongue, we can just do tick or not tick. It means it is no, and it means it is yes. We cannot write another alphabet. And this all Ali will automatic appear 1 because we have already write the auto number. Computer will provide that number. This is record 1 of 2 because I have made 2 records and I do not filled, so it will save 1 of 2 because I have just made 1. I mean 1. If we want to add more record, we will press more record button. Now the record will add. For example, I will add more record. For example, I will write here Josefa. Josefa. Now in age, I will write any number. Now we have to just put calendar. If the calendar is so far, for example 2010 or 9, so we can just put any number and change it. For example, I will change the month. At 2009, and we can change the month of the calendar. And the food, anything, donut, chips. Now I will write here fish. And roll tongue, yes or no. We can write yes or no. It is your choice. And it is the records. This is first record. This is next record. This is previous record. This is first record. If we will press this, the first record will appear. For example, now my highlight we will press this, the first record will appear. That is the first record. For example, I put the first record Ali. Now I will press first record, it will appear in Ali. In previous record is closed because before Ali there is no record. Now it will open because before Josefa there is Ali record. This is next record. The next record will appear. Now Josefa will appear. After that the record is. For example, Josefa has appeared. And we are in last record, it will be closed because there is no next record after it. This is last record. For example, we are in Ali. The last record will appear. The last record is Huzaifa. And this record enter the new record. For example, the new record has been entered. It will, if you want to the fields are that the name all Ali Huzaifa are in field. So this is field. Age is field. Birthday is field. Number is field. This is rows. This is rows in horizontal. We call it records. In column we call it fields. And if you want to delete a record, we will select any of that and press delete. There will say if you want to delete or no. If I say no, it will not delete. When you press yes, it cannot come back in any reason. You have to make again. For example, now I will do no because I do not want to delete it. So it appears. If I said delete it, so it will never come back. I have to make new, so we can write new. I already filled the document, so we can find I understand you. You can see there is Kamran. This is like the current field means this field which we have selection. Kamran, Ali, Hamza, Huzaifa are only selection. If we will write Kamran, so it will select. But if we will write egg, so it will not search because the egg is not, because the egg is see, it will not search because see, the written is Microsoft Access finished searching the records. The search item is not found. But egg is there. It is not found because the egg is not in the field. We put current field. Only this Kamran field will be Kamran field, Huzaifa field. The name field will only they will search only in field, name field, the selection field. If we will write current document, so it will search in all document. Now it will search it. If you want to write 2, we will press again find next. If there is no another, so it will give again error, same error. Now this is enough. Next class I will tell you more about MS Access. Now for saving and closing, we will right click and save it. It is again saved. And we will close all this. We will see you next time. In next class I will tell you more about it. Bye bye.